Oh god, that killed me. Well, let's go, dude. Where's your mama?
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. What about today, dude?
What about boxers?
Today, dude? What about today, dude?
I think Elijah Stevens might be coming to get us.